Find all points having an x-coordinate of 2 whose distance from the point -1, -2 is 5. We have a dot here at -1, -2. There are going to be a couple of points on this line, x equals 2, the line where every dot has an x-coordinate of 2. We want the ones that have a distance of 5 from the dot -1, -2 up to this line. In other words, where we have x-coordinates of 2. There are a couple of ways that we could do this, but one way we could do this is to draw a horizontal line that passes through the dot -1, -2. Then we would end up with a dot here that has coordinates 2, -2 that passes through this vertical line. And then we have this dot -1, -2. One of them would have coordinates 2y1 and the other one 2y2, just so we can differentiate between the two. Both of them have an x-coordinate of 2, and this horizontal line is perpendicular to this vertical line. Now this dot here, the 2y1, if we were to use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then we could use this line where all the x coordinates are 2 and this horizontal line makes a right angle, so we have a right triangle. The length of the horizontal side would be 3 because it goes from where x is -1 to where x is 2. So we have this side that's 3, so 3 squared, plus this side that's b. We can write b squared in here, and that equals c squared, and the hypotenuse is 5 squared. So b squared is going to be equal to, if we subtract 3 squared from both sides, would be 25 minus 9, which is 16. So then we would see that b is 4, which we already kind of knew. We could have counted that. So the dot 2y1 is 4 units from the dot 2 minus 2. So we'll add 4 to -2, which would give us a y1 value of 2. The dot below this dot 2 minus 2 is also 4 units below, so its y-coordinate would be -6.